guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing a how I dry and how I stretch my wash and go. So I did my wash and go. If you haven't seen my wash and go routine, make sure to go check it out here. I think here, I don't know, but in the iCards I have two videos on a wash and go routine I do, but in this video I use this gel. As you can see, my curls are pretty defined. I love the results. So now today I'm going to show you how I dry and how I stretch my wash and go. So first you need a blow dryer. This is my blow dryer. It's the Niton. And then you need the diffuser attachment and this attachment. I don't know what this attachment is called, but this you will need for stretching your hair, and the diffuser is used to dry your hair or your roots. So I'll add it on medium heat and medium speed. So now that we're done diffusing our hair, we're going to part our hair into four sections. So now we're going to add the other attachment. This attachment. Wow. So now we're going to add this attachment to stretch our hair. We're going to take a small part. Now we're going to hold our hair like this, and same speed medium speed and medium heat. I don't stretch it too much because your hair will stretch, and I use the banding method, so my hair will keep stretching. So I don't like to stretch it much because I'm afraid to lose my curls. So yeah, this is the first section. So guys, I am done with my hair. I love the outcome. It's so stretched, so cute. I didn't stretch it too much because I will do the bending method, so my hair will get stretched throughout the week. So yeah, yes, I love it. That was it for my diffusing and stretching 4C wash and go, 4B 4C wash and go. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that down below. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends and family. So yeah, see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye. No, but I wasn't wrong up in my, but I wasn't wrong.